Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the all new Vivo V21 versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. And guys, in the Samsung Galaxy A52 is costing around 58,000 PKR Pakistan market, while the Vivo V21 is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset on the Samsung Galaxy A52 with the 8GB of RAM, while the new Vivo V21 is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800 chipset with the 11GB of RAM on the Vivo V21, because we also have a 3GB extended RAM on this phone as well, and that's really unique thing on the Vivo V21. And guys, on the back we have a quad cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A52, while on the Vivo V21 we have a triple cameras on the back. We have a 64 megapixel main camera on both these two devices, and also we have an optical image stabilization on both these two devices, and that's a really unique thing as well. And the A52 also has a IP67 water and dust resistance. So in this video I'm going to show you how much a difference between a new Vivo V21 versus a Samsung Galaxy A52. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones is completely off. Now let's see the boot up test between these two devices. Here we go. And the logo is here, more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 as compared to the Vivo V21. And guys, and both phones is running on Android 11. We have a Samsung One UI 3.1 on the A52, while on the Vivo V21 we have a FunTouch OS version 11.1. And you can see, and the new Vivo V21 it is more faster when it comes to booting up, and you can see which has a Dimensity 800 chipset, while the Samsung Galaxy A52 is take a lot of time, and you can see huge difference in terms of the boot up test. And now the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is also done, and you can see about 8 or 9 second difference, maybe more, between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that, and both phones has a very different display. We have a Full HD AMOLED display with the 90Hz refresh rate on the Vivo V21, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a Full HD Super AMOLED display with the 90Hz refresh rate as well. Let me show you the refresh rate on both phones. First let me go to the settings, and now let's go to the display on both phones, and you can see we have 90 Hz refresh rate on both these two devices, and also we get a punch hole on the center on the A52, while on the Vivo V21 we have a U-shaped notch, and the punch hole looks much better as compared to the U-shaped notch on the Vivo V21. And also we get a 4500 mAh battery size on the Samsung Galaxy A52 with the 15 watt fast charging, while on the Vivo V21 we have a 4000 mAh battery size, and also we get a 33 watt fast charging on the Vivo V21. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Let it warm up. Here we go, and that is exactly the same on both phones. I have to say, very close. So next on the list is the settings on both phones, and that is little bit more faster on the A52 as compared to the Vivo V21. Again we have 90 Hz refresh rate. Now let's check out some more application. Now let's see Amazon shopping. Again we have a Dimensity 800 chipset on the Vivo V21, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is exactly the same. Again we have 90 Hz refresh rate on both these two devices. So now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga. Again we have a Snapdragon 720G versus a Dimensity 800 chipset, more faster on the Vivo V21 as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A52. And also on the A52 we also have a dual speakers. One it is on the bottom and one it is inside the earpiece, while on the Vivo V21 we have single speaker. Let's see Instagram, and that is exactly the same. Now let's pin out, and that is again more faster on the Vivo V21, and you can see about half a second difference there. Let's see Snapchat, and that is exactly the same. And one thing it is also really good on the A52 is that when you go to the camera application, and when you go to the right there, and guys, and this is a mode which is called as fun, guys, and this mode give you a Snapchat filters right in your camera application, which means that the Snapchat video quality as well as the photo quality would be really good on the A52 as compared to any other Android phone in this price range. Let's see the Spotify. That is little bit more faster on the Vivo V21. Now let's see Temperament 2 and more faster on the Vivo V21, and you can see Vivo V21 it is done, and now the A52 it is also done. Again about half a second difference there. Now let's see PUBG Mobile on both phones, and also I already done the PUBG test of the Vivo V21 on my channel, so if you're interested watch that. And you can see Vivo V21 faster there as compared to the A52, and you can see now let's opening up the router. Faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 this time. Now let's see Zedge. Faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 I would say. And guys, now let's open this, and that is exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see YouTube on both phones, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. That is more faster on the A52. Now let's see the scrolling. That is again exactly the same. Again we have 90 Hz refresh rate. So guys, last time I launched the cameras on both phones. Default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. Default camera app, and that is exactly the same on both phones, and you can see no difference here. Again we have a 64 megapixel main camera on both these two devices. We have 8 megapixel ultra wide on the Vivo V21, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a 12 megapixel main camera. And guys, now let's see the front camera. And guys, on the front we have 44 megapixel selfie camera with optical image stabilization on the Vivo V21, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's see internet browsing speed. I am seeing to for Samsung internet browser on my A52, while on the Vivo V21 we have a Google Chrome. The first website we have is the wikipedia.org. That is a little bit more faster on the Vivo V21. So now let's see the scrolling. Yes, in the start I see a little bit lag on the Vivo V21, and also on the A52 we have 90 Hz, while on the Vivo V21 we have 60 Hz. I cannot see the 90 Hz refresh rate matterness on the Vivo V21 as of now. So now let's open this. Faster a little bit on the A52 this time. Now let's see the scrolling, and guys, again more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52 only in this application. And guys, next on the list is the apple.com. Faster on the faster on the Vivo V21 as compared to the A52. So guys, now let's see the scrolling, and again I would say more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52. I cannot see the 90 Hz refresh rate madness on the Vivo V21. So guys, now let's see RAM measurement on both phones, and guys we have 8 GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A52, while on the Vivo V21 we have 11 GB of RAM. Again we have a 3 GB of RAM, extended RAM on this phone. So now let's see phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping, and no refresh. It is a in-app refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, again no refresh on both phones. Instagram, let's see Pinout. Let's see Snapchat. Let's see Spotify. Let's see Temperament 2, and you can see RAM measurement is really good on both phones as of now. Let's see PUBG Mobile, again no refresh. Now let's check out the Twitter, no refresh. Zedge, again no refresh. YouTube, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that, and the Vivo V21 is perform a little bit more faster as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A52. Only in game app or in time I would say that in system based application and both phones is perform very similar. In terms of the RAM management device I would say that, and both phones has a very good RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the new Vivo V21 versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Vivo V21, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.